Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. It's been, I think, a month or two since I've posted anything. Might even been longer. I don't know. There's a reason for it. There is a reason for it. And that is what this video is about today. Sad thing is, setting this up, I accidentally broke the case on my lens. So that's unfortunate. Seems to be working fine though. So that's good. But getting back into the video, we did something to the Miata. It was gone for, I want to say 2 or 3 months, which was unfortunate, but the end result, I'm okay with it. We got the Miata wrapped, you guys. I didn't get it professionally wrapped. I got it done by a friend of mine. That's why it took so long. It was his first time. He wanted to learn. I was fine with that. And I knew going in it'd probably take a while. I think it looks good. It's not perfect. It's his first time. I'm okay with it. I think it looks better than that dirty white that was on it, because that white, it was so bad. Had dirt that was just like in the paint, was not coming out. And I think this just looks way better. So this isn't going to be a super long video. Just going to kind of go over the color. And I'm probably going to go over everything we've done to it, because I did put the Miata away for storage, or into storage for winter, because it is cold out right now and it's been snowing the past couple days. It's not on the ground anymore, but it was snowing, so I don't want to get salt all over this. But without further ado, here is the new and improved Miata. Here she is, you guys. She is British Racing Green. Sorry, I can't get super good lighting here. Got these regular gross lights, so I bought a couple of these. Lights just to kind of make it brighter. But British Racing Green. She's a little dirty right now because she's been sitting in here, but it looks so much better than that gross white that was on there before. And I think it looks decent with these rims. I have rims in mind that I want to get so bad, because I don't really like the offset of these. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. I don't know. I think they might be a bit too wide for me, but it looks so good. I love it. Again, it's not perfect. I got to get a new top. I already have one. That'll be a video as well. It looks so good. In my opinion, I think it looks so good. Got the windows down. Let it air out a little bit. That'll be for another story later. But I love it. It looks great. Again, not perfect. You can see a little white around here. And, you know, I had paint chipping underneath here. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see a little bit of a edge where that paint peeled off. But again, I got this done from my friend. He did great. Shout out to Eli. He did great. 150 bucks. He wanted to learn it. I said, that's fine. This is the color he had. And I thought, why not? Let's do it. I told him to skip the mirrors. The reason why, one, they were hard to do, which is understandable. But two, I am planning on getting different mirrors. I have mirrors in mind. That'll be, again, in another video. Don't have them yet. Will eventually get them. But yeah, love it. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments if you guys like it or not. I think it really makes the Miata look better. But, and obviously the inside we didn't get, so it's white around here. Not professionally done, but just right. I like it. So, let's go back. Now that we're done, you know, showing off the new color, let's do a quick recap on everything we've done so far. Now, granted, I haven't recorded everything that I've done to this car. I didn't really get into doing this like video making until, you know, till before I did some of these. So, where do we even begin? The wheels. You guys see the wheels? Those came with the car when I bought them. They weren't on. They had their original Daisies or whatever, Daisy Dukes, whatever they're called. I don't remember. So I put those on with new tires. They look better than the stock, but I don't know if I'm keeping them or not. You guys will have to let me know. Again, I just don't like the offset on them, I don't think. But we did that. I installed these hood struts. Game changer. Absolutely love them. Way better than that stupid pole that is always in your way. When I took the engine out, I really wish I would have gotten videos of me resealing all this and crap, but I didn't, unfortunately. But when I took this out, I resealed it because the oil pan was leaking really bad. So when I was putting it all back together, I did do a Mishimoto radiator with the electric fans. I got the white hose kit. Not all of them are white, but some of them are. The cold air intake came with the car as well. I did not do that. I would have rerouted it somewhere else, which I do plan on doing eventually. What else did we do? We did the headers. If you have not seen that video, go check it out. That was a very fun video to do. That support would be amazing. We also did the Winky Eye mod. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out as well, where we installed the harness. I have to reroute this, but the harness and the box so that we can control the headlights with our phone. It's awesome. I love it. It looks great, and it just makes everything easier. Inside, the car came with, let me get the light quick so that we can see inside here. Inside, I have to clean this out really bad. The steering wheel came with the car. I'm not always alone, I promise. But I do have to get a new mount, I guess. I forget what they're called, the quick release hub, because it doesn't like hold in the steering wheel all the way. It kind of sucks. So once you take it out, it's impossible to get back in. I did a short throw shifter on it. Love that. I want to get a weighted shift knob like I do the WRX. And I did a aftermarket doubled in radio. Love that as well. And I also, you can't see it, but underneath these, let me see if I can show you guys actually. I did upgrade the speakers. So it sounds a lot better than what it did stock. Other than that, oh, of course. So we did the header, and then while we did the header, we did our aftermarket Manzo exhaust, which also sounds great. And then the last thing we did, I guess we did two other things. We did, let me put this down. This came with the car. They already were on there. But we did the blackout LED side markers on both the front bumper and the rear bumper. Both of them are LED. And then, of course, as you guys already know, the first thing you do for a Miata is you do the halogen, or not the LED headlights where it looks like it has eyes. That was like the first thing I did. So that is what we've done so far, and I want to do so much. I want to do so much more. Sorry, I got a weak stand. I want to do so much more. It's hard to do it. Just graduated college and starting to work again, like full time. So it's hard with money. Money's tight. I promise I will do more things. I have a couple more videos I'm going to do. I have a series I'm going to end up doing, which I don't know if you saw behind me, this white thing. Yeah, we got something. And that'll be a series. So that'll be another video that I introduced that. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys are returning, I appreciate it. If you guys are new, hopefully you guys like the content, because I'm gonna, even if you don't, I'm still gonna put it out there. Yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys later.